I think it's going now. Yeah, it says it's recording. So you got your remote?
I need you to stand here so it doesn't try to chop me up when I fire it up.
Okay, well here we are at the Corral Center. Chris is trying to get chopped up by his plane.
Try and take this.
And how do you start it?
Flip it over. You gotta.
Actually, you should start it out there because you're not going to drive it in here.
Yeah, I'm just gonna drive it outside. Here, we'll just back it up a bit, and I'll just drive it right out here. I just don't want it to like pick up any of the water like from the water source. I need you to stand and hold this because it's just hold the vertical stabilizer. That's the tail, just hold the vertical stabilizer. Yeah, fix it. You got it?
Yeah. Yeah, that seems to work.
Ready?
Yeah.
You gotta keep a close eye on it because it's gonna go big on pretty fast.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
I'll try to land it right in front of us.
Well, you kept your prop that time.